don't think.
Ah, God. As in nothing, not even music, just let me sleep.
No, I think we slept longer.
This morning it was music.
I know, but we slept longer this morning.
We slept way longer. Yeah. This was the first time I woke up before the alarm went off, the music went off.
No, I know, definitely.
I pray Biggie just gives us tomorrow. Just doesn't sound. I don't know. Sleep till 8. Sleep till 8. Oh, I didn't pay my wig.
Where is it?
It's inside. I'll go and get it. Maybe brother will still call me to bring the phone too.
Oh yeah, sure, because we need to change the stuff, yeah.
Batteries too.
One last time.
Yeah.
For today.
No, but we change it this evening.
Yeah.
I think.
Alright, maybe you need to return the phones maybe tomorrow.
Definitely. Tomorrow? Today?
Tomorrow.
Definitely today.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because like if it's almost midnight, then he may decide to just wait back till tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because obviously he's going to think that, okay, like everyone is tired.
No, but like...
And everyone has like alcohol in their system.